Zapier plugin. Zapier is a tool that allows you to connect and automate tasks between different web applications. The Zapier plugin would typically allow a system to integrate with the Zapier platform. Through this plugin, users can create automated workflows called zaps. A zap consists of a trigger and one or more actions. For example, a trigger could be receiving an email in Gmail, and an action could be saving the attachment to Dropbox. The plugin would facilitate the communication between the system and Zapier, allowing users to set up and manage zaps, monitor their status, and execute workflows. This automation helps in streamlining processes and improving productivity by connecting various applications and services without the need for coding. Expedia plugin. Expedia is a popular online travel booking website that offers hotel reservations, airline tickets, car rentals, and vacation packages. The Expedia plugin would be designed to integrate the services offered by Expedia into another platform or system. Through this plugin, users can search for flights, hotels, and car rentals, compare prices, and make reservations directly through the integrated system. The plugin might also provide additional features such as retrieving booking information, managing reservations, and receiving notifications on deals and promotions. This integration is particularly useful for travel agencies, businesses, and individuals who want to streamline their travel booking process. SpeechKey plugin. SpeechKey is a text-to-speech service that converts written text into high-quality audio. The SpeechKey plugin is designed to integrate this service into other platforms or systems. Through this plugin, users can send text to the SpeechKey platform, where it is converted into an audio file using advanced text-to-speech technology. The plugin may also allow users to choose from a variety of artificial voices, including different languages, genders, and narration styles. This is particularly useful for creating audiobooks, voiceovers, and any application where text needs to be converted to speech. Chat with PDF plugin. The Chat with PDF plugin is likely designed to enable chat-based interaction with PDF documents. Through this plugin, users can perform various operations on PDF documents through chat commands. For example, users might be able to upload a PDF, extract text, search for specific content, edit, annotate, or convert the PDF to other formats. This plugin can be particularly useful in scenarios where users need to quickly interact with PDF documents without the need for complex software. It can also be integrated into chatbots or virtual assistants to provide automated PDF processing services. Kayak plugin. Kayak is a travel search engine and aggregator that helps users find flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages from various travel websites. The Kayak plugin would allow the integration of Kayak services into other platforms or systems. Through this plugin, users can perform searches for travel deals, compare prices, and access booking options directly through the integrated system. The plugin might also provide additional features such as travel alerts, price predictions, and itinerary management. This integration is beneficial for travel agencies, businesses, and individuals looking to streamline the travel planning and booking process by aggregating data from multiple sources in one place. Thanks for watching.